Alright. So this is the finale for the night, right? We went to Little Italy Pizza.
The third.
Was the third one?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Little Italy 3.
Oh, the third. Oh, this the slices. Get somebody on this one too. Oh, peep the crust.
Yeah, it's some vintage ass pizza. This might be the best one. It might be. Let's see.
I don't think so though.
I think so.
No, I think it might be.
Yeah, think it might be?
I agree with Josh. I think it might be.
Yeah.
See, I just hey.
The best it may come out from Manhattan so far.
Oh no. So it was 2 slices, right? 2 slices. No, 4 slices, right? 4 slices came with 2 sodas. Which I'm guessing now is like 2 slices you get a free soda with it, or whatever. He thought I ran off because y'all was over here having y'all car problems or whatever.
No, we was just to see. What do you mean by that?
Yeah. Another car.
Going to later topics. Car talk. That's it.
Oh, cause I don't have a car. Somebody that I know, Taylor, you was looking for some rain. Hopefully, this is the fucking rain you was looking for because it's ruining my video. All right, guys, we y'all slices. All right, bodyguards, come on, go do that. Do y'all regular. Okay. I got called a hoe. All right, look. Come on, bodyguards.
Sample it first.
Bodyguards.
Nah, ain't no sample. Nothing.
Why you want to act like you gonna take the fucking first bite anyway?
Cause I'm not. I never did, nigga.
Oh, damn, you can't even wait.
I never did.
And there it is. You did the first time. All right, I just seen younger man.
These haters on my body, shake them more.
All right, look. Here we go though. This is. You know what this shit tastes like, Corey? Tastes like 2 boots. Nah, it really is. But like, if I was to like, come on, kind of similar.
This is nothing like that.
Kinda, it is.
It's better than the last one. Put that in the box.
That was better than the last one?
Better than the last one.
Nope.
This one? This one? Hell. What? Are you at your mind? I taste nothing.
I'm scared to taste what he thinks is a 5.
This shit is making me give the last one. I gave the last one a 2. You get at a 3. This is a 1. This is a 1. There's no, I taste nothing. This is it.
Perfect crust. It's got a lot of crunch to it. Like the texture to the crust.
Yeah, like the texture.
The sauce from Galas, right? That was the gallery, whatever you call that shit. And then the
Grimaldi's.
Grimaldi's and the cheese from the last season came from Champions.
That would be crazy.
Together?
They need them.
Together. That's perfect. Like, wow, right there.
This is the worst one. I'm gonna give this a 2.
I taste nothing.
What are you giving it? 1?
I taste nothing. I don't taste nothing.
It has no sauce either. I don't know y'all.
Nah, it don't have sauce, bro.
This is the worst one.
That's the softness of the dough.
Yeah, exactly.
Making it feel like sauce. It's not sauce.
Giving us the lowest
I've given pizza so far for the video.
Motherfucker gave it a 0.5 in the last video.
What?
0.4. Give this a 0.4.
0.4.
Nah, I'm playing.
You said
2 boosters in the lead on, like I said. Let me get this 2.
damn.
No, 1.9. 1.9.
1.9.
1.8.
2 boots was fucking foul. Alright, so you're not gonna eat that?
No.
Alright, so let's stomp it out. Yeah, you gonna fuck up my sneakers. Fuck it though. I'm first.
Everybody do one song. This is all my worksheet.
Come on.
Like that.
And with that, guys, that is this. Oh, what was it on my mouth? Pause. All right, I'm gonna still finish mine because I'm still hungry, kinda. Not really. What? This is the worst pizza we had tonight.
Absolutely.
And it's raining.
That too.
Grab your drink, nigga. Don't litter.